Geotagging is one of the useful features in modern Android smartphones. The system works by appending geographic coordinates to media based on the location of your mobile device. This information can be applied to photos, videos, websites, QR codes, and text messages. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to enable geotagging or location tag in the built-in Samsung camera app on the Galaxy Z Flip 4 device. But before we proceed, please like and share this video so that it will also reach other viewers who might be needing this guide. Now, let's get back to our topic. To get started, open the Settings app by tapping on the Settings icon from the home screen or app screen of your phone. Just look for the gear icon from either screen and then tap on it to launch the Settings app. While in the Settings menu, scroll to Locate Apps and then tap on it to proceed. Another menu opens with a list of all preloaded and downloaded apps. Scroll to find Camera and then tap on it to launch the Samsung Camera app info screen. More details and options attributed to the built-in camera app on your phone will load up on the next display. To continue, tap Camera Settings. Doing so loads up additional settings and camera features that you can use and manage. Find location tags from the given items and then tap to turn on the switch next to it. Doing so activates the Samsung Camera app's geotagging function. With this option enabled, geotags or location tags will be added to the next pictures and videos you capture or record with the Flip 4 camera. To check and see how it works, you can try recording a video or taking a picture with your phone. Media outputs should then embed geotags or location tags. And that's it. I hope this video is able to help you out. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap on the bell icon should you wish to get notifications on the next tutorials and troubleshooting guides we publish. Thank you for watching.